Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Malawi on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Malawi eVisa website on mobile device. Okay. Now the very first thing is to click on apply for an e-visa or tap, you can say. Now it is giving you the portal to log in, ID, password and capture. And if you are coming here for the first time, click on register. Okay, you need to provide your name, full name, email, password, confirm password and your phone number and capture. And once you tap on register, what it does is it sends a link to your mail address that you have to click in order to verify your account. So after that, when you verify and log in, this is where you are gonna come upon. Okay, so when you're ready to file the application, click on new e-visa application. Okay, guidelines are there that you have to agree. It's asking for nationality. I'm putting sample, but you do it as per your own case. Next is visa type. Here we have, I'll select single entry. Okay, type of travel document, I select ordinary passport. Purpose of travel, I select tourism. Expected date of entry and departure, I am putting some sample. Now you can click on check visa requirements. Okay, now it has given you the app information, nationality, visa type, ordinary passport, note, time for processing 5 days, 50 USD is fee, validity 90 days. What are the things you need? Photograph, passport copy, covering letter from host. So if you have booked already hotel and all, they can give you. Covering from agent or accommodation booking, yeah, they can also provide. Below documents required only if minor. Okay, by clicking this checkbox. Okay, next. Of course I'm not going to file the application, so it's in 5 tab, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, travel details, previous travel if any. So if you have done, then same thing about address. If you have traveled before, put that, otherwise leave it. Mode of transport or port of entry, I select air. Details, number of air entry carrier, if you have booked the flight, I just put a sample. Port of entry, amount of money to be spent in Malawi, applying for, I select self. After will you return to your country of residence, domicile, I select yes. Reference and address at place of visit in Malawi, of course provide. Same thing about contact number, provide that. Have you ever been denied entry? I select no. Have you been granted visa before? I select no. Have you ever been deported before? I mean, answer as per your case. Do you have any criminal records? I select no. Countries visited for the past 6 months. So put as per your. Next destination after Malawi. Number of people traveling together. Tourist attractions to visit. Answer as per your. Next is traveling on. Package to prepaid independent traveler, I select. Arranged through, please mention name of tour operator, travel agency, type of accommodation you are using, I select hotel. So asking for hotel details, trip arranged through, so whichever, like if you have booked for example Expedia, that you can set. Just sample guys. What this, I'm leaving this detail, but why would you do that? Just do it. Traveler information, surname, first name. Okay guys, in traveler information, put your surname, first name, middle name, gender, marital status, occupation, date of birth, previous nationality if applicable. India does not allow. No, but yeah, you can be a previous nationality. India does not allow dual nationality. Apologize. Place of birth, city, town, location. So check your passport and make sure such details match with your passport. Passport issue, expiry date, mobile number, email, address, your present address, permanent address and destination where you are going. And then once you verify everything two times, then tap on next. So now it has gone to the document section. Photograph, it has asked. Passport, biodata, covering letter. Okay, agent accommodation booking. Okay, and once you are done, go to the next, review and submit. Of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.